think Mark is pretty big in competition. He may have 10 plus years on me, but I'm very heartbroken.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he jumped on the swing with. That was it. He wasn't hurting him. He just jumped on the swing, and now Julian is like, no.
I'm hoping Ron will see Flo and Diamond on a plate.
They're gonna now fight over the.
Millet?
Yeah. Oh my God! You think they haven't eaten all day?
Jay made with fruit comfort, water, sugar, and butter.
Just what some of those
Jay eats that.
wheat berries on there.
Yeah.
He does work for Marco, so I'm sure he's held to high standards.
They're feasting,
I have high standards too.
making a bloody mess.
Now that my
But it's all going into the cage.
on the acetate sheets, and I cut
Hey, we don't need to have a feeding frenzy here, boys.
the garnish for the cake.
You know, there's plenty of.
Diamond rings.
I could put a small dish of seed out
A
too.
little bit of elegance.
Oh, he went under, did you see that?
No.
He went under the,
I need something.
Oh, under the playground. They're watching Julian eat because he's like hogging it.
I made rehearsal. When I was young, my parents said, "Mom, you have to be safe. I want to make my mom cry."
Oh look, he can see his reflection in the plastic.
Just when you were getting in the groove. Who's feeling?